Today, we are going to talk about this mechanism that's known as Geneva Mechanism, Geneva Drive, or Maltese Cross. The Geneva Mechanism transforms continuous rotary motion into intermittent rotary motion, so it can be used to do step rotary motions and stay halted for some time before it moves again. The mechanism is composed of two main parts: a drive well, which rotates in continuous rotation, and the driving well, also known as Geneva well, which rotates in intermittent rotation. The Geneva mechanism works by the transmission of the movement done from the pin that's located in the driving well to the slots that are located in the driving well. And after the pin come out the slots, the movement is blocked due to the locking plate in the driving well. It is important to note that if there is no locking plate, the wheel could not stop at the right point, causing the mechanism to jam or move at the wrong time. Due to its locking plate, the Geneva drive maintains a good control of the load at all times. Thanks for watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribing if this video helps in any way.